Hello, this is Sydney Beach Digger. Today we'll be looking at a pair of pliers that is cheap but works extremely well. They can be used for camping, fishing, handy stuff around the house and everything else. These are made by CRAFTRIGHT. I did pick them up at Bunnings a little while ago for about $10. All the people that saw them wanted me to get a pair for them, but going back there were absolutely none left, so that's how good these are. They are made from some sort of cast or alloy. It's got a nice sort of sandblasted finish. The actual holes in the handle make it lighter, but they are light as they are. It's got hand finger grips on the handles which work quite good. It's got a plastic cover that is removable. It protects the nose of the pliers. The front here, as you can see, has got a split ring tool. It's got a flat section here with nice serrations on it for gripping. Here it's got the crimper. It's got another flat section here. And probably the most important part here are these cutting inserts. One has got an angle ground on it, and the other one has a flat side on it. And when the two meet, it cuts quite well. You can cut wire with them. You can cut monofilament fishing line. You can cut braid, and they retain their sharpness quite well. As you can see, the pivot is absolutely, very well made. It's quite large and it swings quite smoothly when you're cutting. Now, I've used this on the boat quite a few times, and as you can see, the beauty of it is there's absolutely no corrosion on this unit at all. Most pliers will rust in here on the flat surfaces and also on the pivot point. That's where they'll start rusting or corroding, and then they'll become hard to use and all the rest of it. But these ones, I've used them a few times on the boat. Actually, these are the only pliers I take on the boat, and they're very, as you can see, very shiny, and they're still quite functional, even though they've been in salt water. Or try to cut some wire, so we'll put that in between the two cutting inserts and just cut, and that's it. Nice clean cut. I will try to cut some braid also, so we'll put the braid in there, squeeze the pliers together, and there you go. It is actually cut quite good. Now, next time Bunnings has these, I will be picking up a few pairs, as they are very good for $10 value. The only thing you've got to be careful with these is make sure that nobody pitches them on you, because they are so good everybody will want some. Okay, this has been another review of some handy pair of pliers that everyone should have around the house or the boat. of the car or when camping. Okay, well that's it for today. This has been Sydney Beach Digger. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Over and out.